So I made an improvement to our cooler where we pack the boxes, or as some people would call it, picking the orders. So before we would set the box right here on the shelf, grab from one of the 6 herbs from this top shelf, put it into the box, and then slide it over and do the next one. But it's kind of far to reach, and really it should be angled too to reduce the motion. So what I did as a solution is I built this cart. So basically the purpose of it is it holds a box like this. And I've actually made this cart out of FastCap's new EMT connectors. So this is just conduit that I bought at my local Home Depot. We put our sheet for the order right here. We got our labels. And this is actually just a random conduit connector, which is pretty fun to have so many different options. I also put these plastic here to like hold the label flat as you write on it. I glued the cap in for the Sharpie so that you only need one hand. And another cool thing that's like a side benefit is it actually unpeels the label for you as you pull the waste down here. Then I have the waste going into the trash can, which is just clipped into the table. And so basically, you just roll it along this shelf. I got a bumper in the back that makes it so it rides on this shelf right here. So you roll it in front of the right herb, pack it, and then just roll it down to the next one. All in all, I'm pretty happy with this using EMT and FastCap's EMT connectors. My biggest concern using it was I was worried that it just wouldn't look good because I'm not always a fan of how EMT looks, but I'm actually really happy with this stuff. And as you can see in the video, it looks really professional. So I think I'm gonna be using this going forward, and it's just nice not to have to ship a pallet of, just the other kinds of pipes and things like that. So I'm looking forward to being able to just pick it up at the hardware store. Other random little benefits is obviously there's a bunch of other little connectors, but the other thing I really like is sometimes the vinyl on FastPipe or that whatever plastic coating it is will just get scratched up from the fittings. So even though it's reusable, after you use it just a couple times, it actually doesn't look very good anymore. So, but this stuff, since it's just metal on metal, and I don't know if it's because of the color or what, but you just don't notice it nearly as much. So it really protects it from all those nicks and things, which is actually pretty nice. Makes it just look good longer.